everyone, welcome to Hungry Hunt. Our today's recipe is Gondhoraj Bhetki, a steamed fish using some flavoring items and hung card along with Bhetki fish. It is very tasty, easy for new cooks, and I'll show it to you how you can make it in micro oven in just 5 minutes. The two main ingredients here are Bhetki fish and Gondhoraj lemon. If you want to know more about this Gondhoraj lime or Gondhoraj lebu, please watch our earlier video on Gondhoraj ghole, the link of which is given in the description box below. So let's start with the marination of the fish. Here I've taken 3 pieces of Bhetki fish. It is around 200 grams in weight. I'll put some amount of salt, little amount of black pepper powder. I have cut the Gondhoraj lebu into slices, and with one slice I'll take the juice out and I'll put it over the fish and I'll marinate it both the sides. Since I'll make the dish in micro oven, I have taken a microwave safe bowl, glass bowl. First, I'll put 3 tablespoons of hung card. Ensure that the card is not sour. Hung card means I have taken the card in a muslin cloth and I have kept it for half an hour. The water from the card got discarded and then you get what is called a hung card. In the hung card, I'll first put 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger. Using fresh crushed spices give a nice aroma to any dish. Next, I'll put 2 crushed green chili, here see I have taken the zest of 1 Gondhoraj lebu. You can grate it or you can very finely slice it with a knife. I have done it with my knife. It is a zest from 1 full lime. Next, I'll squeeze half juice of Gondhoraj lebu. The amount of lemon juice you can use as per your taste. But since it is Gondhoraj Bhetki, you need a bit amount of this lemon juice. Next, I'll put salt as per taste. Little amount of black pepper powder, and to balance the sour taste and the salty taste of the dish, I'll put some sugar. This is raw sugar, hence the color is a bit brown. I'll mix it nicely. This is actually the gravy that will come along with the fish after cooking. To this, I'll add 1 tablespoon of white oil. I'll adjust the seasoning. I'll need another 1/4 teaspoon of this sugar. Actually, this raw sugar is less sweet. So in totality, I have used 1½ teaspoon of sugar. The resting time of 15 minutes is over. Now I'll put slit green chili. This will give a beautiful flavor to the dish. The zest that I have used, actually this zest have natural oils that gives more flavor than the juice of the lime. kept the fish inside the micro oven and I'll cover it with a lid and I'll close it. Next, in micro option and in 60% power level, like this is the 100%, I'll put it down to 60%. In 60% power level, I'll cook it for 5 minutes. After cooking the fish in the micro oven for 5 minutes, put the switch off and keep it inside the oven and give it a standing time of minimum 10 minutes. After that, take it out. Here I have taken it out. You can enjoy it with plain boiled rice. If you like my today's video, put a like, share it with your friends and family, put your comment and subscribe our channel Hungry Heart. Make the dish. Enjoy it. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.